Hi there guys. Now all of you who are iPhone users know very well. Every week you get sort of a report card of your screen time. If it was high or low or how much percentage. But did you really know that you can use this screen time feature to manage your iPhone usage as well? That's right guys, let me show you how. Now screen time lets you know how much time you spend on apps, websites and more. This way you can make more informed decisions about how you use your devices and set limits if you'd like to. Turn on screen time. So what do you need to do? Well, go to settings and then go to screen time. Tap turn on screen time and then tap it again. Select this is my device. After you turn on screen time, you'll see a report showing how you use your device, apps and websites. But guys, if you're just setting it up, you won't see a report instantly. You'll eventually see the report once you start using your phone. With screen time, you can also create a dedicated passcode to secure settings so only you can extend time or make changes. Now make sure to choose a passcode that's different from the passcode that you use to unlock your device. If you want to change or turn off the passcode on your device, go to settings, then screen time and tap change screen time password. Then add a 4-number passcode and authenticate the change with Face ID, Touch ID or your device passcode. See your report and set limits. After you have turned on the screen time, let me show you how you can see your reports and set limits. To access this valuable information, simply go to your device's settings, navigate to screen time and tap on See All Activity, located under the graph. From there, you'll be able to explore your usage patterns, set limits for your most used apps, and even track how many times you picked up your device or received notifications. It's like having your own personal digital assistant. And if you've enabled the Share Across Devices option, you can take it a step further. You'll be able to view your overall usage across all devices linked to your Apple ID and password. It's a fantastic way to understand your digital habits and make informed decisions. Manage screen time settings. Now that you have seen your screen time report, let me walk you through how you can manage your screen time settings. Just go to the settings and select screen time. Then tap See All Activity, select a category in the list below and set limits. One key setting to explore is downtime. This feature allows you to schedule specific periods when only phone calls and selected apps are available. It's a great way to create focused and uninterrupted time. And don't worry, you'll get a reminder 5 minutes before it starts. Next up, we have app limits. This feature lets you set daily limits for different app categories. For example, you can limit social networking or gaming apps to ensure a healthy balance. These limits refresh every day at midnight and you can delete or modify them anytime to suit your needs. Communication is important, so we have communication limits. Here you can control who can communicate with you throughout the day and during downtime as well. It applies to phones, FaceTime, messages and iCloud contacts. Certain apps are essential even during downtime or app limits. That's where Always Allowed comes in. By default, apps like Phone, Messages, FaceTime and Maps are always allowed, but you have the flexibility to customize the list according to your preferences. Lastly, there are content and privacy restrictions. With this setting, you have control over the type of content that appears on your device. You can block inappropriate content, restrict purchases and downloads, and adjust privacy settings to ensure a safe and personalized experience. And guys, that's all about managing your screen time. Remember, these settings are here to empower you in managing your screen time and creating a healthy digital environment for yourself. So, go ahead and explore the options that align with your goals and lifestyle. Do share your thoughts with us and keep watching this space for more such content.